Let's not kid ourselves. Teslas are so fast that you cannot help yourself but speed from time to time. Now, if you want to protect yourself from getting tickets, you invest in one of these radar detectors. I've been using my Uniden R3 for years now. I actually have the same one in 2 of my other cars, so 3 total. They've been absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend this. Not very expensive. But that's not what today's video is about. As you can see, my radar detector is hanging from the windshield using this suction cup because this is one of the many attachments I've tried and none of them seem to work. This one, let me just unhook the wire. This one is a little flimsy. See, it moves around and it falls off in the heat of summer. I also used one of these. Essentially, it's a GoPro attachment that attaches to the windshield, literally sticks to the windshield, and that also detaches itself during hot summer months. It falls on the dash, rips up my hardwired cable. It's not a good solution. I also have this. This is the one that came with the Uniden. Same thing. It eventually unsticks itself, and it makes it a completely useless device. And again, it rips all the wires. Doesn't look pretty. So today I'm going to show you the perfect radar detector mount that I found. I actually saw it on my friend's car, and I had to have it. Today we're going to be installing it, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is and how to install it. It's super simple. But before we get started, how did I hardwire my radar detector into my Tesla? Check this out. So the cable here is dangling. See right there. And it goes right here. Here on the A-pillar, it simply just pops off. So you take this A-pillar, you stick your finger there, it pops off. And then what I did was I ran a wire under the airbag. You definitely don't want to go over the airbag because if the airbag explodes, it may affect it. So you want to route it under the airbag. Then I ran it down the A-pillar, under these plastics here, all these plastics here. This comes off. I mean, this is very easy. See? It simply pops off. Don't be afraid to pop it off. Then I routed it under the glove box. And then what I did was I jerry-rigged something into my cigarette lighter because this is the actual charger that came. So what I did was I spliced the wires and I made an extension essentially because it wasn't long enough. So I specifically left these cables here so you can see how I tucked them in, you see? So I left them here. They're tucked here, and I basically spliced the wires because the connector was not long enough. But so the connection is here, and it connects directly into the cigarette lighter. No messes, no anything, super simple, and anyone can do it. And I highly recommend you use that method because you don't want to be dealing with these things. So now that we know that these things are complete garbage, let's get to this. So you get this package. It comes in with all the tools and whatnot, and the idea here is simple. In most cars you can stick something behind the mirror, but it doesn't really work on the Tesla. So with this one, this attaches to this piece here, and it will hold the radar detector. And the beauty of this thing is you can adjust it any way till Sunday. Is that how they say it? Anyway till Sunday? Anyway till Sunday. You can adjust it as much as you want. So take the long screw, stick it from the back, and then simply go here. And I'm actually gonna, let's see if it squeezes the cable too. Yeah, we can squeeze the cable too. You do the same thing on the other side. You can't see it, but I'm pretty much doing the same thing. Driving a screw from the back and then tightening it. You seeing this? Look how cool this is. And as you can see, I can freely adjust the mirror. This does not interfere with any of it. So next is we take these 2 tiny screws and we attach this holder to it, and now you pop the radar detector in. But look, it's dangling. Well, the beauty of it is once you find the perfect spot, and if you want it to be like this, shoot at the sky, you can do it. But look, you can simply do this. Once you find the comfortable spot, you tighten this side and you tighten that side. It is super solid. The radar detector with this amount has the perfect field of vision or view. Shoots directly in front of you and shoots directly through the windshield in the back. This is an absolute no-brainer. I mean, look at it. It's super solid. Took me a couple of minutes to install, even with making this video. And in case you're wondering, while driving 72 miles an hour, it is very sturdy. I'm going to be linking this in the description of this video. If you're interested in getting it yourself, let me know if you have any questions or comments. If you want to swap some speeding stories, happy to do that. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.